Welcome back. And tell them what we're gonna do.
We're gonna do a nighttime vlog with me and Ethan. We just got
And
done
that dog.
2 dogs.
No, just that dog.
No, Zola's right down here.
And wherever the other dog.
You can't see her.
Yeah.
Pan like outward and down. There she is. Oh yeah, okay, so me and Ethan just got done filming the next video for my channel, so go check that out.
Down in the description.
Sorry to all of my sorry to all the people who watch my channel that watch Ethan's channel. If you do, that I haven't posted in a while. I've been helping Ethan out with videos, and I've been actually just planning this other one that we just made. So expect that tonight or maybe tomorrow. Check it out. It's called Nerf Ultra Cap.
And today's shout out goes to these 3 people.
Me.
No, your channel's always in the description. But shout out 3 people.
Let's see. Scrubby.
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 Next.
Scrubby dub 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 dub. Scrubby dub 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 dub.
Alright, next.
Gonzosm. That guy's pretty funny.
Don't even. Okay, next.
And Major Layton Gamer.
They will all be down in the description below.
I'll make sure he spells them right, because last time he did not spell them right at all.
Yeah. So that's it for now, and I'll see you guys when it's 6 o'clock. Or I meant.
That's soon.
I meant 7 o'clock.
No, not 7. Just whatever time we feel like it.
Yeah, whatever time we come back.
Dummies.
So
Let's go get some booty.
Booty time. So guys, we're just out here still chilling on the couch, and we're watching this crazy
That lady
movie.
sucks, bro. She just let that dude to die and took his stuff.
Like he said. Yeah, guys. So we're just doing great out here. We're just chilling, relaxing.
Hey, you fixing this? Yeah, this one's yours? It's fixed. Good to go. See?
See you soon. And there's my friend. Poke. Poke, 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 poke. Poke. Poke, 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 poke. Poke. Poke, 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 poke. Poke. Poke, 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 poke.
You know, armor piercing.
So, any great update news you want to tell them? Any life updates you want to tell them?
I want to tell them that I love you all because you're so amazing. And
Please don't.
you suck, Ethan.
Explain. Excuse me, sir. Explain.
Alright, I'm editing right now. But okay,
Explain.
okay.
Explain.
Okay, I'm explaining.
Explain.
Okay,
Explain.
Ethan, look right there. Okay, Ethan just did the most amazing tissue box flip, and you guys missed it. He was just like, stop hogging all the tissues. He like took it away from me and was just like, whoop.
Just like, whoop. Pause, you stupid bitty.
Whoa, Ethan, is it back here?
Yeah, it's right here.
Jesus. Guys, look what we just found in my backyard.
Rest in peace, little bird.
Oh, no, move.
I love you.
Is it still alive? Poke it. It doesn't even look like it's been attacked. Hey, shut up. Doesn't even look like it's been attacked. It just looks like it fell or something.
We gotta have a rest in peace ceremony, bro. Let me do the honors. I love you, bird. But it's just, you're in heaven.
In honor of our friend, Mr. Bird, may you poop on all the cars in your
Guys,
future.
Leave a comment down below what we should name this bird.
Let's vote between Mr. Tweet and Phil for our late rock friend Phil. Goodbye, Mr. Bird. Dude, that's so weird. would you two stop? Look at them. They're just playing. Gonzalda, stop playing. Stop playing. Guys, it looks like they're viciously attacking each other, but no, this is actually their version of playing, if you don't know dogs. Okay, hey, Ethan, who do you think's gonna win, Zelda or Zeke? I know he's trying his best, but no, that's just wrong. That's just wrong. Okay, guys, can you please stop? Zelda, no. Zelda, don't attack your brother. Stop. Stop attacking your brother, Zelda. Zeke, stop attacking your sister. See, they stop and then they just keep going. Like they randomly stop for no reason.
Fly, little bird.
Fly, birdie, fly. You go high in the sky. Oh, no, he fell.
Guys, if...
Wait, hang on. Plant a stick in the ground in his memory. No, you gotta like drill it in. Yeah. Do the tiny one. Yeah, there you go. And push the bird over to it. Is this wrong to show dead birds?
Oh, it did a backflip! The bird did a backflip!
Dude, don't be disrespectful, man.
It did a backflip.
Don't be disrespectful. Here. Push him over.
Be gentle.
There you go.
Wait. I got a better plan.
Hold up. No, wait. There we go. Now you will forever rest under your perch of happiness.
Please, bird, come on. Come back alive, bird.
He's not alive, bro.
Come back alive.
He's dead, bro. He's gone. He's gone, Ethan. He's gone.
Come back alive,
dude, I
bird.
don't think you should get this close because he might have diseases.
Come back alive.
Ethan, he's gone.
No.
Put down the stick, Ethan.
No.
Put down the stick, Ethan.
No, bro.
Put down the stick, man. He's gone. He's gone,
No.
Ethan. Hey, Ethan. You wanna go out for some ice cream? Burgers? Some burgers?
No.
Whoops. Hey, Ethan.
I love you, bird.
Ethan.
Alright, end the vlog.
No, we ain't. Hey, come on. Wait. You have a Snapchat friend named Lucy York? Is that my sister?
No, I don't know.
Alright, bro. Man, look at these pretty flowers. Oh, nope, there's a bee. There's a bee. Ethan, leave the bird alone. Here. This was his favorite flower to poop on.
No, don't put the...
Yep. Okay. Bro, can we stop this? This is getting weird. This is honestly.
I need more sticks.
No, we don't.
I'm not ending this until we find that bird's life back.
Bro, it's a dead.
Shush and film this.
It's a dead bird, Ethan.
I still want to save its life while we can.
You can't save its life. It's just a bunch of sticks, Elliot.
We need one more stick, and then we'll be set to go back inside to the Elliot house.
Elliot does not exist.
Welcome to my crib, where I get all the ladies.
Actually,
that way is all the lady crib.
This is my front yard. Wait, here's a stick.
Give me the stick.
I got one.
Give me.
I got it. I'll do this one. You hold the camera.
Okay. You put the stick in the ground, right here, right here, and you point it that way.
Done.
Now we must tell your dad to never mow here again.
Actually, that's never gonna happen. But okay. Subscribe to Kid Pixel, everybody. Ethan, no. Ethan.
Bro, there's an ant pile behind you.
Where?
I just want to make you move. Oh,
Is this prank me?
it's just a prank, bro.
Get back here, Ethan. Ethan, I'm going to kill you.
I should probably not be standing in this tree. I don't know how much weight it can hold.
Oh yeah, but it can't hold the weight of 2 people.
Oh, no. No.
Oh, I'm coming. I'm coming. Ethan, you better get higher.
Okay. Let me, do this. Hold on. I'll zoom out. I will make you smaller. And at this moment, you knew Fame in Life just messed up.
I'm going to kill you.
No, you're not. Not in my vlog. You would never kill me. He's coming. Oh snap, he was making a creepy voice. Just keep running. He's still chasing me. Just keep running. Wait, he stopped. Let's go check on him. Hey, sir. Are you homeless? Are you homeless?
What?
Are you homeless, sir?
Sit down. I'm gonna give you some advice. Sit down. Come back here, Aunt. I'm gonna lick your face.
I'm just gonna stay on this side, okay?
Okay. You want to kill some ants?
No, I don't want to kill no ants. No, I don't want to eat faces.
One of these. What's that there?
I got my vlog camera. It's called a vlog camera when you vlog yourself. Look, you want to be in it?
Oh yeah.
Say hello. Say what's up to Family Life.
Hello, family poop.
No, it's Family Life.
Poop.
Family? Say family.
Familia.
No, family.
Familia.
Spell family.
Familia. Same friggin' thing.
Okay, familiar life.
Familia. Lift.
That is perfect. That is my channel. Check me out on YouTube.
What's a YouTube?
Oh, you want to start your own channel, I see. So you go to www.youtube.com. Still know what YouTube is yet?
Is it a tube with you in it?
Yeah, it's a tube with you in it. You get some good advice in that tube. Why are you standing up? Ah! Ah! He's chasing me again! He's chasing me! He's chasing me! No! We were friends! What happened to being friends? Where'd this idiot go? What is... Oh, great. He found a sewer. Oh, great. Sir, you gotta go to jail if you do that.
You did it once.
On a live stream? What live stream? What live stream, mate?
I don't remember what the name of it was. Why are you running?
What?
Here, I'm gonna put it away.
Look at this dance. Ah! I don't trust this guy. Oh, he's walking away from me. Shh, just be quiet. Just be quiet. We're gonna be quiet and sneak up on him. Okay? Okay. Ah! Why is he always chasing me like... So guys, we're just like looking around for the beautifulness. You know what I'm talking about? He's coming! He's coming! He's coming! He's coming! My friend's being an evil idiot! What is he doing to me? He's gonna kill me! Yeah, that's right, mate! You stay down there! On footage, it doesn't look like he's that close. But in real life, I'm in my safe zone.
Ethan, where'd you go? What's up, bro? What you doing?
You okay?
What do you mean am I okay? I'm totally fine.
Let's go back outside.
Why?
Come on.
What?
Come on.
I was just out there looking for you. You weren't there.
Yeah. Come on, mate.
Why you got that trowel in your hand?
Just in case any aliens want to attack me.
Aliens. Man, you crazy.
Like this alien.
That's the grass.
Dude. I saw the same guy with the same outfit.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You stand on the other side of the street, sir.
Why? Bro, I'm not gonna hurt you.
No, this is how we're gonna talk.
Bro, this is perfect.
This is how we're gonna
Why
talk.
is this how we're gonna
This is how we're gonna talk.
talk?
No, stay on that side.
Why? Why?
Stay.
Okay.
Stop walking. Stop walking.
Why?
First, you had a trout. No, stay on that side. First, you had a trout trying to chase me, and then you have yourself trying to chase me.
I have no idea what you're talking about. Hey, I got a fun vlog game we can do.
What?
Park hide and seek.
No, now you're making that creepy face.
I'm smiling.
Dude, I don't trust you.
Wait, look. Hello Kitty sticker.
Yeah, I zoom in for extra footage. Dude, I told you you were
I
trying.
just want to play hide and seek.
Nobody plays hide and seek in my house.
This is your house.
Well, I'm your next door neighbor.
How about this? We each have our individual cameras. One of us hides, one of us seeks. It's a video for your channel.
Subscribe and welcome back to Hide and Go Seek with me and Daniel.
Alright, so the rules are the player sets a 1 minute timer.
Rules.
Wait.
Player sets a 1 minute timer.
The seeker sets a 1 minute timer on their phone. The hider goes and hides. They can hide anywhere in this park as long as it stays in the park. But if the hider goes outside of the park limits, they will lose the round. Whoever wins the most rounds wins. And if the hider can stay hidden for what should it be like? What should it be like? 10 minutes? Or no?
5 minutes.
If the hider can stay hidden for 5 minutes, or 3 minutes, they win the round. Okay?
So I'm guessing you're or me. Who's hiding first?
You can hide first.
All right. So Daniel's gonna.
We each have our individual hide and seek cams.
So he's just gonna send me every footage.
Yep.
So see you once I find my spot.
All right, hold up. Let me set my timer.
And 3, 2, 1.
Nope, it's gonna take me longer than that.
I'll see you guys once he starts his timer.
All right, timer. 1 minute. All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
See you guys in a minute. All right, guys. So this is where I'm gonna be hiding, and Daniel is legit trying to find me right now. Alright guys, so I think he didn't see me, but I just moved spots, so yeah guys. And I really gotta pee. Alright guys, I'm still chilling here. Oh snap. Oh snap. You might have just seen me. Oh snap. He's looking in the bathrooms. He's looking in the bathrooms. He's looking in the bathrooms. He's by the construction fence. He went to the boys' bathroom. He went to the boys' bathroom. Oh my gosh, bro. He went into the boys' bathroom. He's out the boys' bathroom. He went to the girls' bathroom. He went into the girls' bathroom. He came out the girls' bathroom. He tried to sneak into the closet. He's heading towards the flagpole. Is he heading towards the flagpole? Oh shoot, oh shoot. Oh shoot, he's going. I think he found me. Bro. Little. Yo! Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shoot. Cough. So first, we're gonna check the footage room over here. I don't think he went over there. Because of too many people. But look, they leave trash here. Just trash. And trash. What a nice, comfortable chair, bro. So he could be anywhere. We gotta get going. I gotta get moving. Not by the ducks. He's not over there. Let's go this way. We gotta get going. We gotta get moving. But I can't move. I got a bad cramp. I really want to run right now, but I can't. Oh, my chest. My chest hurts. Found him. Guys, this is my high spot. And yeah. So and he's moving. And I gotta pee, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I could have been peeing by now, but he just stopped and talked to a bunch of people. What the fuck was that? What the frick was that? I don't know. He just stopped and talked to a bunch of people that I think are now teaming up with me, which I'm screwed if they find me. Bro, I don't know what happened. I see him. I don't know if he's with anybody. This is in Park area. At first he was talking to a bunch of people, and then he left, and they all left. But I know this part, like the back of my road, back of my head. My phone's gonna die, so I'll see you guys once he gets near me or finds me. I want to give a huge shout out to all these kids that are playing hide and go seek with us, and I want to give a big shout out for Daniel sticking up to his own self and giving his own channel out to all these kids and everything. So congrats, Daniel, for stepping up. Your next level is finding a girlfriend, but in the meantime, I gotta find a stupid squad. I'm really thirsty. I don't even know if this is good to drink. It's freaking not even mine. I gotta find this homie or squad that was just chilling. In the meantime, let's just go. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. We're almost at 100. Right. I want to scream something. I'm getting closer! We got it. Me and my army squad will win. Bro, I got bit up from that stupid mosquito thing. After this, I'm signing off for the day, but I'll sign back on later. It's just my phone's gonna die and I just need the juice. So yeah, guys, I'll catch you when I catch all of them. Well, they all have to leave, so yeah. No, they're all leaving. They're leaving. Yeah, they're leaving. You guys are leaving. Bro.
Hey, am I with you?
Bro, I say this
Yes or no?
I say this wasn't fair because, no, listen, this wasn't fair because you went over there and teamed up with them when we had no clue that you were going to team up with them. And
hey,
then...
Bro, okay. I just found some little kids. I asked them if they knew where you were.
And then...
It's all on the footage, bro.
Yeah, you're going to send it to me, so I'm going to watch it later.
Yeah, it's on the footage. And they said, hey, can we help? And I was like, yes.
Bro, I
Now.
gotta watch this.
Hey, dude, I kind of wanted to get some kids involved.
Bro, I
Hey,
can't...
plus, they're interested in our YouTube channels now.
Yeah, but I want to get one of them to, like, shout out someone, but I can't.
There's not that many YouTubers in North Carolina. Alright? What if we can put North Carolina on the map?
You see...
Place, isn't it?
This is family life, and I'm
Hey,
going.
whoa,
This is family life,
stop walking.
and I'm out of here.
Walking.
We just played with them,
Leave this.
so I'm dead, and I'm going out. So, yeah.